Hi everyone, welcome to TMM Reviews team. In this video, I'm going to show you full webinar replay of xBeshAI by Adrian and team. You will get to see all the details related to xBeshAI, demo, use cases, upgrades, special one-time bundle deal, and much more. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you all the special exclusive bonus packages that you are going to get with xBeshAI. xBeshAI is an AI engine that builds real functional SaaS apps from prompts, not mockups, not suggestions. Actual tools, CRMs, booking systems, client dashboards, shipped to the cloud, fully functional. Now, without wasting time, let me show you the webinar of xBeshAI.
All right. Welcome, everybody. We are about to kickstart this session, and I am more than excited about this one. So let me just check the chat room because the chat room, we haven't even got started. There are over 400 people, I believe, that are connecting, and people are still connecting by the minute. So let's see who is connected with us today. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to this webinar. If you are hearing my voice loud and clear, okay, just so let's do this. If you can see me, all right, and hear me, just type yes in the chat room so we can rock and roll. I want to see where is everybody coming from, where you're connecting from. Let me just give you a couple of shout outs. This is a live webinar. Hope I'm not screaming too loud, but I think I'm more excited about this one than you are, but we'll see about that. Let's see who we got on the line. We got Christian, we got Robert, we got Jason, Williams, Tony, welcome Ken, awesome Allison, welcome Randall. Oh, Randall, I think it's like very familiar. Dino, welcome Larry. By the way, guys, is my face familiar to you? If you know this face, go ahead and type 1 in the chat room. But if you've never seen this face before, go ahead and type a 2. Okay, just want to see how many people has been from my tribe or has known me for a while. There we go. A lot of ones coming in, a lot of 2s coming in as well. So I want to welcome to everybody that already interacted with me in the past, and also to the new people that have never heard about me before. My name is Adrian, and for this session, I will be your host, and we are going to have some fun together and build your ideas, turn your ideas into live product. This is Kira. This is the chat room. You are in the right place. Please, if you want to use the chat room, it's the questions tab to the next to the chat. In the next to the chat is the questions tab. That's how you're going to be interacting with us. No sound. Bob says no sound. I think everybody can hear me. There we go. A lot of 1s, a lot of 2s. Awesome. So the crowd is already on fire. Awesome. A lot of yeses coming in the chat room. So that's fantastic. All right. This builds the energy and tells me that you guys are ready to get this session started, because I'm not here to waste your time. I respect your time just as much as I respect my time. So we are going to get into it, because today I want to share some secrets with you, and I'm going to show you something that you've never witnessed before. Deal? Is that a deal? Let me know in the chat room. Okay, but before we do that, let me just do one poll over here. I don't even know how to do the poll. Let me just quickly see if I can figure it out. This new interface from GoToWebinar is killing me. Okay, so I'm not able to throw the poll. Where is the poll? Hold on just 1 second, because I do want to. Oh, there we go. Polls. Awesome. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see the live poll on the screen, I have one burning question for you. Okay, what's been holding you back? Okay, what's been holding you back from turning your ideas into live products, shippable products, and start earning revenue on them? Okay, let me know in the chat room, or better still, let me know in this poll. I'm going to launch it right now, so please go ahead, respond to this poll pretty quick, and we're going to see where is everybody standing right now. Look at that. Look at that. Results coming in. Guys, look at the screen right now. We got a poll going on. I want to know what exactly has been the bottleneck, your execution bottleneck. Was it developers? Was it time? Was it money? Or was it just skills? Okay, so don't be ashamed. Just honestly respond to that. Look at that. 38% coming in as skill. 39, 40% as skill. Okay, so it's not developers, it's not time, it's not money, but skill. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Everybody voted. Can I end the poll? Let me know. I'll keep it like 5 more seconds and I'll close it. All right, go ahead, vote. I'm going to share the results with you. You won't believe I can believe for myself that so many people has this problem, but let's go ahead and end it and share it, okay? And share. Okay, so back to polls. It's like 40% of everybody on this room has voted skills, and that's for a good reason. You don't need to be ashamed of that, okay? Now, I want you to do a quick solid, not for me, but for yourself, okay? For the next 60 minutes, I want you to, put all the distractions aside and pay close attention to what's going to happen in this webinar session. I have been working for the past 7 days, 20, and my team knows that. I've been working like crazy for like 20 hours a day for the past 7 days just to put this thing together. And I am so excited to bring it in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. I am humbled to have like over 400 people with me on this call. And if you stick until the end with me, not only that I'm going to share my full secrets, then you can take away and use it on your own, but you can also grab my prompt vault. That's a $97 free value. Plus, as promised, I'm going to give a chance to win. You are going to have a chance to win one of the 10 golden key access. If you've heard about the golden keys, everybody's been talking about them online. Like everybody's trying to get one, right? But they were very limited. Like everybody could share only 5. And if you didn't got one, that's why you're probably here on this webinar. So if you're sticking until the end, I'm going to do a spin the wheel and give some free keys to some people from the audience. Okay. This is beautiful. We have such an amazing audience. Probably, but I would not leave the webinar right now because you're going to miss out on the best part. Okay. So we are going to be diving into our next 60 minutes or so. We'll shatter the 3 myths that are killing your ideas. I'm going to share you the 3 secrets. Actually, it's actually the myths, but I turned them into 3 secrets. Okay, you're going to love that. You are going to love that, and we're going to jump into that in like the next 5 minutes. We're going to go. I'm going to show you. I'll build your app live in just a few words. Show you exactly how you can get access to xBesh off a special offer. At the end of the webinar, we're going to have a special release launch bundle deal and finish with some live Q&A. We're going to create games together. We're going to stay as long as you want, and we're going to be creating apps together at the end of the webinar. Is that a deal? Give me a 5 in the chat room if that is a deal, okay? And I want you to hold me accountable at the end of the webinar if I do not deliver on my promises, okay? Because I'm not here to waste your time, and neither are you here to waste anybody's time, okay? Cool. So before we get started, let's be brutally honest for a second, okay? Having a great idea is the easy part, right? I mean, the graveyard of brilliant ideas that never saw the light of day is enormous. And why? Can you tell me why? Let me know in the chat room. Because, guys, the execution is where most venture fails. We've all felt the pain. I felt the pain. You probably felt the pain. I mean, you had a great idea. You had that $1 million idea, right? But building it's a freaking nightmare, right? I know, because I've been in the industry for over 15 years already, right? So I've been building numerous products starting from ideas, and I know the pain of going through that execution problem. Ideas don't fail, execution does, and 95% crash and burn because actually shipping products is hard. Okay, but the game has fundamentally changed because with AI accelerating everything, the speed of execution isn't just an advantage, it's survival. Can you agree with me that in the age of AI, speed is key? Let me know in the chat room if you agree. Just type in agree. Like moving slower than the piece of innovation means getting left behind, right? And the good news, as you'll see the 3 secrets we shared today, your idea can be shipped much faster than you've ever think. Okay? Look at that. People still connected. We're almost reaching 500 people connecting with us live. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome. And energetic people. I see Kevin. I see Robert, Ivo, Tony, Phil, Mark. Look at that. Maurice. Awesome. Awesome. Hank, Darren, I see you. Christian, Joe, Dennis. Welcome, everybody. So many people are still connecting every single minute. This is crazy. And we already started. But don't worry, you haven't lost, you just lost like the beginning. But we're good. We're good. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. I told people be sharp. We're starting at 2 p.m. So those of you who are late, you missed like a couple of slides, but we're good. We're good. Okay, does turning your idea into reality feels like this? Let me know. Look at the screen right now, okay? Let's be honest. Does actually building your great idea feel any way harder than it should? Which of these hits home run right now? Just type your number in the chat. 1, if it just takes too long. 2, if the cost is scary. And 3, if it feels too complicated. Or 4, if finding the right help and the right skill set is a freaking nightmare. Okay, let me just take a sip of water and check the chat room to see what is flowing in over here. A lot of force coming in. Finding help is tough. Okay, 1 and 2 people turn 1, 2, 3. All of the above, says William. Yeah, I bet. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, says John. Yeah, all of them, right? They are very close related. Seeing lots of numbers coming in. Yep, these are the exact headaches we hear about all the time. It doesn't have to be this difficult. And because you are in my webinar today, I'm going to show you an easier way. Okay, so here's the tough reality. While you're hesitating or stuck, right, someone else out there might have a similar idea with yours and they are taking action. They're the ones who will turn that concept into a revenue generating reality. The different isn't the idea, because we can have like the similar idea every single minute. I have like 10 ideas before I get out of bed, right? But it doesn't mean I can implement them all, right? The difference is not the idea, it's the action. Okay, and if you agree with me, just type in action in the chat room right now, because I want to see the action takers here. I want to see who's paying close attention to this webinar, because I'm doing this for you. I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this for you guys. We're here to make that action easy for you, okay? Because I know the pain, I know the struggle, because I've been spending ridiculous amounts of money into development and teams and everything, okay? Right? But let's shift the energy for a little while. It doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to be hard, right? What if the execution bottleneck disappeared? What if building your app, your SaaS, your website, your tools is as simple as describing them? What if, let me know in the chat room, what if it would be this simple just to tell it to someone and see it build? Let me know in the chat room. I love that everybody, it would be amazing, says Michael. Grish says it would be awesome, amazing. I love that, says Darren. That would be heaven, says Darren. Amazing. What to be fantastic. Mark says amazing. Beautiful dream come true, says Jeffrey. Okay, so the chat is just going so fast that I'm having trouble keeping up with it, guys. I'm sorry if I don't read every single line, but it's just hard to keep up. Cool. Okay. Now, before I continue, you've already seen my face in the first slide. For those of you who connected a little bit late, I don't have my face over here, but I want to take 1 minute to introduce myself. My name is Adrian, and I have built my success without writing a single line of code. Okay. Now, what I've done, I've bootstrapped and launched multiple $2 million AI SaaSes like Leads Gorilla and Confluent AI. How many of you have heard of Leads Gorilla or Confluent AI? Okay, I've been in the trenches building online businesses for years. Look at that. Joshua says, I have both. I have. I'm your customer. Yep. Yes. Coming in the chat room. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you for showing up and for owning any of my previous software. And I hope, I've done right by you by creating this software. Hope I've changed lives with Liz Gorilla, Creativio, Confluent, you name it. I've launched over 15. Look at that. I used Revoicer. Great. Awesome. Okay. So I've bootstrapped these AI companies like Liz Gorilla, Confluent, and passed $1 million marks with each and every one of you. Launched over 15 products, helped thousands of students find their own success. But here's the kicker. I'm not a coder. I don't write a single line of code. I know to read it, I know to modify it, but I'm not a coder in the true sense. And for years, I poured hundreds and thousands of dollars into development teams, feeling that frustration of delays and costs. It just it just was painful. That pain is exactly why I'm so passionate about xBesh. It's the tool I wish I had from day one. But this is going to be different for you because today I'm going to show it all to you. Now, I know many of you are sitting on, fantastic ideas that could genuinely help people solve problems, create income. But you hit the wall, right? The same wall everybody is hitting when they try to start a business. The complexity, the cost, the time involved in traditional developments. It feels overwhelming, right? Let me know in the chat room if you've ever tried this before and it really feels overwhelming, right? Because I get it. I've been there. I've been in your shoes, paying those huge development bills, having to deal with delays. It's just a true pain. Okay, a lot of overwhelming coming into the chat room, and I feel your pain, guys. I've been there. Literally, I've been there. I still am. I'm still paying for a lot of things, right? But that's the possible. But what if there, right? Let me just. I've I've lost my words for a couple of seconds, but I know it feels overwhelmed. I just got emotional about it. But what if there was a bridge over that wall, right? What if you could translate your idea directly into reality using skills you already have, like talking, like writing, like describing the things you want? That's possibility we are going to be unlocking today. All right. So my promise for the next 60 minutes, you'll see, okay? So here's my big promise for our time together today. You are going to watch me live take a simple 7-word idea from the chat room. You guys are going to feed me the idea and turn it into a fully functional application, website, SaaS, game, whatever, okay? More importantly, you'll see the framework so you can replicate the same process. All right? You feel me? Kevin, I feel you. Kevin says, I'm a developer, but the job sucks all the time. You can be a vibe coder, man. It's going to be crazy. How many of you know about vibe coding? This is going to be a new concept that I'm going to introduce you to. All right. What does SaaS mean? SaaS means software as a service. It means you're building software, solving problems, and selling it for a recurring income. Okay. Yes, I have been vibe coding. I have been vibe coding for the past 2 months like crazy with xBesh, and I'm excited to do it together right now live with you guys. All right, so good. Let's get our things together. So all right, I need to see some real energy in that chat room for real now. If you're excited to see me live build vibe code and build and learn how to ship your own ideas instantly, come on, let's go ahead and flood that chat room with ship right now. Let's see it. Ship in the chat room. Acknowledge there. Let's see. We got John says ship. Do it says Dale. Ship from George, Milan, Randy, Julie. Mark says do it. Ship. Beautiful. Lot of ships coming. I think we're going to be crashing this go to webinar. Oh my God. Hope not. Hope we're going to be here until the end. All right. Okay. Okay. Stop shipping there in the chat room. We're going to crush this thing. All right. There's over 500 people over here. So, we are going to ship. Look at this. I'm going to take a screenshot because I can't miss this. This is very good. Thank you so much for being so beautifully active. Just going to screenshot this and have this for my own reference. All right, let's jump into the secrets. I don't want to waste any more time here. We're already like 50 minutes into this webinar. So I'm going to reveal the secrets to you. All right. Cool. So secret number 1, let's get into the first big mindset shift you need to make. Most people think that they need the perfect idea or the most complex features to succeed, right? That's false. That's number 1 thing separating winners from losers online today, okay? And that number 1 thing, can you guess it? Can you type in the chat room? It's speed. Of course, it's speed, guys. It's not perfection. You don't have to wait until your idea is perfected, okay? It's speed. It's always been speed, okay? First to market wins market share. You don't have to be perfect. I mean, Apple wasn't perfect when they launched. Nobody was perfect when they launched. Remember like Stripe. Remember like Product Hunt. They were not what they are today, but they were first to deliver. Okay. The data doesn't lie. Whatever it's a SaaS business, a digital product, an application, getting to market quickly allows you to capture attention, build that momentum, and gather feedback while others are still perfecting their plans. Being first or fast often means you set the standard. Okay. You set the bar. That's what it means. Okay. Let me tell you about David. David is a friend of mine, and he had a fantastic idea for a sales funnel too. And I've been telling him, like, go ahead, launch it. It's good. He spent like 7 months, burned through $14,000 working with developers, trying to get every single little detail perfect before launching. And guess what? The results, you guessed it, 0 customers, 0 revenue, just frustration. Okay. And I remembered about David, and I invited him. Okay, David, you want to try this one? I think it's going to be helping you. Just, shipped it. And then David really tried this different approach using the principle we're talking about today, and xBesh, of course. And here we built the core concept of the funnel. How long did it take? 34 minutes. He launched immediately. The results, over 1,800 in sales from his first day. That's the power of speed. And I want this story to let it sink in, okay? Because the speed is always going to win you. Is going to win you. It's the success formula, okay? So what's the takeaway, right? Success isn't just about the idea. It's about multiplying that idea by speed, getting it out there, and iteration. I mean, anybody knows what iteration means? Iteration means you ship it first, and then you keep improving, and you keep building on top of it, layer by layer by layer. Okay. If speed is 0 or iteration is 0, because you never launched, the result will always be 0. Like a good idea plus fast execution and learning from the feedback of your customers equals winning, aka MVP, says Lee, and that is correct. Awesome. Cool. Let me just go ahead, move past to, because I want to give you, I want you to give yourself the permission right now. Stop chasing perfection. Ship version 0.1. Ship the minimum viable product. Somebody in the chat says MVP over there. Ship it. Ship the MVP right now. Get it out there, even if it's ugly, okay? Because launching today and iterating based on real feedback is indefinitely better than waiting for the perfect version that never sees the light of the day, right? So change that perfectionism. Change it to fast, to speed, to iterations, okay? Now, let me know if this lands, right? Type speed in the chat room, okay? If this resonates with you. Are you ready to embrace speed over perfection? Let me know. Type speed in the chat right now if you're committing to faster execution. Cannot chat, all good, speed. Bobby, this is the chat. The questions room is the chat, okay? Cool. Let's just move faster because I want to ask you something new, okay? The quick poll. How many half-built ideas are on your hard drive, on your Google Docs, in your mind? I want you to be honest, okay? So how many of half-built ideas you have right now? Is it 0? I think you're a liar, right? Is it 1, 3, 4, 7, 8? Whoever opened the microphone, please close it right now. Cool. Okay. And if you have like 8 plus, welcome to my tribe, because I have like tons of these ideas. I wake up with 10 ideas every single day. Look at that. Kira says, oh my God, I got a gazillion, like a billion ideas. Look at that, 10 over 8. Okay. Nobody answered 0. That is beautiful. There's no liars in this chat room. Awesome. Guys, look at this. Look at the screen right now. I need your answer in the chat room right now. Chat room is the questions tab to the right. I want to see if that's working. Just type it in. And don't say 0, because like, I know you're lying. Like everybody has like good ideas, right? Okay, so we already know that speed is the key, but maybe you're thinking, okay, Adrian, that's great, but I'm not a coder. Speed requires technical skills that I don't have, I don't possess. Or does it, right? That brings us to secret number 2. Okay, now imagine if you could simply describe your app or tool you want and have it appear. If your natural language, English, Hindi, Spanish, German, whatever language you speak, would become the command line, right? Sounds like science fiction? Okay, let's explore that in secret number 2, because it does sound like science fiction, but in secret number 2, okay, we're gonna tell you exactly how that can become a reality. No. I'm not trying to hard sell anything here, Lily. I'm not trying to sell you right out the gate. I'm trying to teach you guys. I don't want to sell yet. I want to teach you a lot of stuff. Okay, cool. Andrew says, love your energy, agent. Thank you so much, Andrew. Love that you're here today. Okay, so secret number one was about embracing speed. But how do you actually achieve that speed, especially if you're not technical, right? Which brings us this to secret number two, which is going to be blowing your mind because it's the most powerful programming language in 2025 and beyond. Can you guess what that is? What is the most powerful programming language in 2025 and beyond? Let me know in the chat room. Look at that. Joshua says, I want to buy. I want to buy. Hold on. We're getting there. Okay. We have special deals at the end, but first you got to understand the principles. You got to understand the strategy. You got to understand why we're doing this training for you guys. It's 500 people on this call. Don't rush it. Look at that. We got AI, English, AI, me, the mind, words, Python, English, your natural language. That's right. It's the language you're already fluent in. Okay. That is. And guess what? Don't just take my word for it. The visionaries are building that are building the future of AI, like Jensen Huang from NVIDIA, like the CEO from NVIDIA, are saying the same thing. The way we interact with computers and build software is fundamentally shifting away from complex codes towards natural human language. Okay. We can build fast, right, with words, but do we make money fast? That is the important question. Okay. So now we have the two pillars, the secret number one, which is speed, and the ease of through the language, which is secret number two. You can build quickly without being a tech expert. But there's one more crucial piece to the people that's getting wrong. And how do you ensure your idea actually makes money without risking everything first? Without spending thousands of dollars. Well, that's secret number three, which we're going to be getting into right now. Okay. So secret number three, the final piece of the puzzle, we know we can build fast. Okay. We already clarified that in secret number one. And we build easy using language. We already showed in secret number two. But secret number three is where the real magic happens and your bank account and your sanity. Okay. How to validate your idea, actually make money before you sink your toes on time and resources into building the perfect product. Okay. You can look at the screen right now. And if you're not getting this, no worries. We're getting into details right now. Think you need a super complex idea? No, you don't. Some of the biggest online successes started incredibly simple, right? Like, can anybody remember Flappy Birds by any chance? That super simple game that went viral with huge revenue, right? Like TTT Connect Apps, Product Hunt started as an email list, and Gumroad, simple checkout for creators. They all have been at the beginning pre-selling, right? They were pre-selling. The demand was first, and the pre-selling was first. Building a mineable MVP is the key. The new way to launch is the 4Ps framework. You prompt. Okay, this is the framework that changes the game. Forget build it and they will come. The new model is prompt xBesh with your core idea, get instant proof of a working version you can show, pre-sell and access to founding members based on the proof, and get validation with real money. Iterate and build out the rest based on what your paying customers actually want. This is your aha moment. And I want this part, you can take screenshot right now because this is very important. I want this to sink in. No, I did not mean Angry Birds. It's Flappy Birds. Probably nobody heard about it, but it was a very viral game. So this is the 4Ps framework that I want you to remain. Even if you leave my webinar, I want you to think about this and do it this way. And this is going to save you money and it's going to make you money in the same time. Okay. Now forget VCs. You need customer founding. Okay. So many entrepreneurs think that they need to raise thousands and millions before they can start. That's a myth. I want you to forget about it. Okay. What you really need is validation. Getting those first few pre-sales, even cheap ones like $3, $5, $10, whatever you want. It's indefinitely more valuable than a VC pitch deck early on. Okay. Customer founding means you're building something people actually pay for? What if I offer a pre-sale and get crickets? Nobody wants, nobody buys, right? My answer? Well, that's fantastic, right? That's fantastic news. You just learned with almost zero time and money spent, thanks to xBesh, that your current offer or idea isn't hitting the mark. That's incredible, valuable feedback that just save you from building it the wrong way. Can you guys understand the idea behind? Let me know in the chat room if this makes sense. Just type in if this makes sense to you. Like, just imagine if you're starting to building and you're pouring in like $10,000, $20,000 in an application just to find out that nobody wants it and it's not the best idea you had, right? How many of you have been through this route before? Trust me, I've been building over 15 products online and I've been through all the routes, including the path number 2. I've done it and I know it. Okay, I felt it on my own. That's why I wanted to put it on my slides over here, because I don't want you to go to the same hurdles that I've been when I started out. Okay, so now, let's build your idea live. Okay, what should I create? This is the fun part of the webinar. This is why you've showed up. Okay, you showed up because theory time is over. I've shared my secrets. I've delivered on my promise. You've learned the 3 secrets: speed, building with language, and selling first. Okay, but let's recap. Let's recap before we go forward. So there are 3 secrets. Secret number 1, it's speed. Secret number 2, build with your language. And secret number 3 is selling it first, even before you build it. Sell your MVP. Now let's put it all together because I need your help. What should we build live right now using xBesh? Drop your simple app, idea, website, SaaS, chat, or just a phrase, 5 to 10 words, a CRM for coaches, a tool that generates tweet ideas, a simple project tracker. Let's go, go, go. I'm going to pick one in the next minute. Or let's get going. And so many ideas in the chat room. Okay. Amazing ideas. Okay, I've quickly scanned through, dozens of ideas that are flowing into the chat room, and I think I found one that I really enjoy, and I think I'm going to be building that one. I'm going to pick this one. Let's build an AI tool. So Danny says, let's build a directory of top AI tools, which I find really interesting because we're in the AI space. So let's go ahead and pick this one, and I'll share it. Thank you so much, Dennis, who suggested. Are you all ready to see me build this thing live in just a few minutes, just by using a couple of prompts? Okay, just type live in the chat room if you're ready, and I am ready. I'll switch my screen over here. Live coming in the chat room. Beautiful. Okay, so I just managed to switch the screen. If you can see the xBesh interface, just give me a 5 in the chat room so we know that we are on the same page. Thank you for waiting. Cool. So there were so many great submissions out there that it was quite hard to pick one, but I think I found a very interesting one, and I think that's going to be the one. Somebody suggested to build a top AI marketing tools directory kind of platform. So let's go ahead and build a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields for tools, name, descriptions, URL, and categories. So we can just go ahead and type it into this chat room right here. So I can say build my, actually, you know something, let's just tell it to xBesh instead of just typing, because this is also an amazing feature that we love about xBesh. So let's go ahead and just tell xBesh what to do. Build a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields for tools, names, descriptions, URL, and category. And just press enter. You see how simple that was. I didn't have to tell it anything complicated, and straight, right away, xBesh is going to start putting together our project without us giving the tools, without us doing any of the tech work, okay? So let's go ahead and watch it. I think we just started, so the countdown starts now. Let me just look at the watch right now. I forgot to put the counter on the screen, but it's like, okay, so we are in the first minute anyway. I think we're going to be managing to do this in less than 5 minutes, guys. Now look at the speed of this thing. Look how fast it just codes. It already created over 300 lines of codes. I can see to the left. And if you look at the right of the screen, it says I'll create a directory website for top AI marketing tools with fields, tools name, description, URL categories. I'll build it using imported Osho template. That's cool. So it chose to use a template that is mostly used for blogs, platforms, online websites, and stuff like that. So the AI already picked up the best tech stack, the best development framework for our application. Now, depending what kind of applications you're going to be asking for, it's going to choose different type of coding language. Okay, it knows everything, all the coding language. So it's already done. Look at that, how fast it created all the components, all the pages, the toolkit, the category filter, layouts, index, about. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and let's see. The AI marketing tool is now ready. I've created a modern responsive website with the following features. A homepage displaying AI marketing tools with grid layout, category filtering. Okay, this is really cool. So let's go ahead and wait for it to finish. Look at the console over there. It's doing its thing. It's installing all the dependency, and now it's trying to start our project so we can preview it. Bam! I think that was faster than 2 minutes. And look at that. Look at the platform. Okay, it's already done. It has a menu. It has about. It's not looking bad at all. We haven't think about it. We haven't gave it any design instructions, and it gave us like a list of AI tools like Jasper, Copy AI, Surfer, Hotsuite, all of this, DALL-E, Midjourney. This is cool. This is very cool. It even put like 2025 on the footer. Okay, so since we have like a couple of more minutes, I'm going to ask it to do one more thing. Can you please enhance the design and make it look more futuristic, and also add a search function? Boom. Okay, so I haven't gave it anything specifically. I didn't tell them what to change, what to do. I just asked to, make it look better. Let's see if this is actually working. If I'm clicking here, awesome. So it already takes me to these websites. Okay, it's everything. It's it's doing, and it's all the links are working. Let's go ahead and see if we can make it better in the 1 minute left that we have on the countdown. Okay, it's working. It's working on the layout. Like, look at that. I'll enhance the design to make it more futuristic and add search function to the AI marketing tools directory. Now, the way we can run with it right now, we can ask to add more features, like add another page, add another, add the footer, change the footer. You can just go ahead and give it command, okay? You command it, and xBesh does it and delivers in minutes, okay? Now, this kind of technology may seem like alien technology. I wished I had this years ago when I got started, because the amount of money I've been spending with development teams is just ridiculous. And it also, the waiting time for development is far bigger than what we're getting over here. Like, look at how fast it just creates everything for me in real time. Okay, now I'm doing this in real time, and I've also, picked this application from the chat. Okay, I'm sorry I wasn't able to pick like all the others. There were so many good inputs over there. It was hard to pick one, but I think like this one is a really good example. Okay, but look, I know it's okay. So let's just go ahead and click continue, because we have went over 8,000, so we want to keep continue. So the AI knows exactly where to continue from. Okay, so it's when you click continue, it's just going to continue from where it left off. It's never going to change anything that you already did. Okay, so it's not going to mess with the previous code. Look at that. It just continue. It completes the index. Okay, now it's doing some extra thing over here. So let's go ahead and wait to see what happens. Beautiful. It works on the categories. This is pretty cool. Now I want to do something really quick, because most of the inputs was about tools, AI tools, all kind of SaaS platforms. But what about, building a game while we're live here? Do you guys want to see a game? Just type into the chat room if you want to see how xBesh, it's actually building you a a game. Like we can build like, you know, Space Invaders, Flappy Birds. We can build Tetris. Just type in the chat room what kind of game you want to build, and I think I'm gonna be selecting one more game to build in xBesh live in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. So that's going to be a lot of fun, so we can play a little bit with it as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happened. Okay, it modified quite a bit. Animated background, floating gradient shapes. Okay, let's see if it's already started. Let me just go to the preview section. Now, boom, look at that. It did it more futuristic. Okay, it looks really good. It has like hovering effects. Oh, look at, and its search is working. Let's just search for, let's see something from the bottom. Let's say Midjourney. Look at that. Fully functional platform, guys, in minutes. Not months, not weeks, not years, in minutes. Okay, and look how beautiful this thing looks, right? And want to see something even more interesting, how fast I can put this online and share this link with you so you guys can inspect it yourself. So all I have to do is just press 2 buttons. What I'm going to do first is push it to GitHub, and don't get scared. It's nothing complicated. I'll teach you in the training sessions inside the platform. So I'm going to call this like top AI marketing tools. I'm just going to, you know, what I'm doing right now, it's actually I'm pushing the full code base. I mean, everything that, you know, xBesh did, I'm going to push it to GitHub. So it's in the cloud. Okay. Now I have like my repository here. It's just a place where this code stays now online. Okay. Now, once I have that, I can just go ahead and click on deploy to Vercel. Okay, one click, okay, because I connected my GitHub and my Vercel account. Now I'm hosting it live with one click of a button. I don't need to know databases. I don't need to know hosting. I don't need to know anything. Okay, so I've run into some trouble because there's my Vercel account is full. But here, I'm just going to go to vercel.com and just do one quick thing. I'm going to build a project. Okay, I'm going to just go add new. Now, here is the one that we've just created. I'm going to click import. I'm not going to do anything, but just click it. You know, this Vercel, it's a serverless environment where it detects the project language and everything, so you don't need to worry about nothing. Just clicking one button, deploy it, and we're going to be going live. And I'm going to be sharing this link with you so you guys can see that this thing is real and it's happening live. So let me just deploy it first, and I'm going to put it on the slide so you guys can navigate to it if you want to check it out. And boom, we're done. Okay, congratulations. Continue to dashboard. We are live with our website. I'm going to click visit, and this is the link. It's live right now. Okay, so I can play around with it. Look how beautiful this thing looks. Amazing, right? Okay, cool. So I promised I'm going to pick a game. There's many games coming in. Actually, you know something? Let's skip the game development at the end of the session. Deal? Cool. And you guys can think of more games that we can build with xBesh. All right, let's get back to the presentation really quick because we still have a lot to cover. All right, beautiful. Hold on. Technical issues over here. Can you guys see my screen? I believe not. Let me just, I think I deactivated it by mistake. Hold on. There we go. Screen one. Which one? Other application. Sorry about that. I hate when I have to switch screens. I have like 2 huge displays. It's just crazy to switch between them. Oh, there we go. I found it. Good. I found the Webby. There we go. Share. And do not optimize for video. Share. It's moving so slow with so many people still on. Hopefully this platform will not crash on us right now. Okay. Should be coming in. Shoot 'em up game. Shoot 'em up game. That's a nice one. How about scraping app? Yeah, you can. I think you can. If you can do this, you can do anything. I've had some demos that I can share with you that we've done. Let me just go through some slides. But guys, if you wanna check out the application, app is deployed. You can scan the QR with your phone and check it on your phone. Fully mobile responsive. You can even navigate to the link that's on the screen, but I would not suggest necessarily. But you can still watch it on the phone. Okay. And that is it. Like, you stop the time and done. Okay. We have created and we have put it live. So if you go to that link, you're going to see that the app is already live, the one that we've just created. Okay. You want to drop the link in the chat room? I'll drop the link in the chat room. Hold on. Um, um, hold on. I've lost the link, but I don't want to go outside of this webinar. But if you scan with your phone, you're going to see that the site is awesome and it's fully responsive. It's amazing. Let me know what you think in the chat room. Okay. And if you really want, I'll do it for you. I'll drop you the link. Let me just find it really quick over here, because I have like tons and tons of tabs open. I've been working extensively. But I can't find it right now. I've just closed it. I'm sorry about that. But you can just, you can check it out with your mobile. Can you create mobile apps? Yes, you can. You can create just about anything that runs through your mind. What you've just witnessed in 5 minutes with xBesh versus what it could take 5 weeks with traditional development. Okay, let's put that into perspective. Okay, what we just did together in minutes would typically take about, I don't know, 5 weeks and cost thousands, maybe, tens of thousands of dollars, and involve managing developers, dealing with delays. And you saw the alternative, right? Fast, simple, and cost effective. That is the key, right? Now, let me know, is it left or right? Which one do you prefer? Is it the left side of the screen or the right side of the screen, right? So everybody is going to be jumping on the fast. That was incredibly powerful, right? Seeing an idea becoming reality so quickly, right? So the big question is, how would you like this capability to test it on your own? How would you like to wield this power to build your own ideas just as fast? Let me know in the chat room. Okay, look at that. A lot of loves coming in. I want to get this right now, says Jensen. Lefty, left for sure. My turn. Yes, yes, yes. Coming in. Show us now, please. Okay. You got me. So let's quickly recap what we've just witnessed together. Okay. We didn't just talk theory. We took a real idea from the chat, described it into plain English to xBesh, and built a fully functional application live in minutes. We completely skipped the painful, slow, expensive parts of traditional building software. Look at that. Someone says in the chat, I want to read this one. I think it needed 7 years ago. Where was that? That was very good. Somebody says, like, I needed this 7 years ago. I needed this like 15 years ago when I started, but it was not there, right? It was not this magical back in the day. We had to struggle. Traditionally, building even a simple app like the one we just demo could cost about $2,000, $2,005, $2,000, $3,000 and takes weeks, often much more than that, right? With xBesh, the way you saw it, it happened in minutes, basically free during the build yourself. The difference in time and cost and sheer frustration is massive. Okay. Now, again, let's be real. In today's fast-paced world, waiting is expensive. Every day, every week, delaying brings your idea to life because execution hurdles. Someone else is with a similar idea like yours, might be using tools like xBesh to beat you to the market. The speed you just saw is the new competitive advantage, and you cannot afford not to have it, okay? Your brilliant idea that most creators, right, get stuck below the surface. And you have the brilliant idea, okay? That's the tip of the iceberg. But down under the iceberg, every part of the complexity, the cost, the time sinks hidden underneath, okay, the deep level sea. What you need is a way to bridge the gap, to handle the execution instantly so you can focus on your vision, then bridge, okay? Then that bridge is exactly xBesh, okay? What's happening with my slide? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to ask you, if you're tired of the old way, tired of seeing your ideas die into the development hell, and if you're ready to finally turn your vision into reality quickly and easily, and I've put together something incredibly special for you today. Let me introduce you to the solution that gives you everything you need, and I mean everything. And since like we have over 500 people still connected with us, nobody have left the room, guys. And I want to thank you for that. I really appreciate that. I appreciate your time. We might go a little bit overboard with probably like 20 minutes, but I do appreciate your time, and I hope you're having a great time with me. And and before I introduce you to xBesh Ultimate Bundle, okay, I want to ask you something. Have you had a good session up until this point? Was it, a learning session? Was it good? Have you learned something during this session? I want to make sure that I have been delivering on my promise before I let you in on the special deal. Okay? Okay, cool. Because to ensure you have everything you need to bridge that execution gap and turn your ideas into reality fast, we've created something specially just for this release webinar, and I'm going to introduce you to this ultimate, with your permission, of course. If I have your permission, give me a 5 in the chat room. I will introduce you to the xBesh Ultimate Bundle. This is your all access pass. This is something like, it's not like any other bundle you've seen before. It's completely different type of software. It's completely different type of offer. But with your permission, give me a 5 in the chat room. If I have your permission, I'll show you everything you're going to be getting access by the end of this training. Okay. Now, first, you're going to get the core xBesh Pro Builder, the exact engine you saw me use in the demo. Turn your ideas into app with simple prompts, unlimited builds, one-time access. Okay. So this is going to transform ideas into reality. It's going to give you it's going to give you the ability to instantly turn your ideas into app. Simply describe what you want and watch your app come to life. Generous AI power each month. So we are running our own LLM, okay? We have our own trained 72 billion parameter LLM that is running behind xBesh, that is going to be able to give you this generous AI power each and every month, fueling your creation with 5 million AI neurons, which are, the tokens, the credits, every single month. Plenty to build and run multiple sophisticated apps. Launch multiple projects. Get the freedom to build and deploy up to 3 unique applications simultaneously. Your brand, your app. You can push your creation under your own custom domain for a professional look. No xBesh branding. Present your apps with a clean white label appearance is all yours. And you can connect and extend. You can connect your database. You can connect other. You can connect GitHub. You can connect Versal. Easy link your existing databases. Integrate with other creative via API tools, and you get started fast because we're going to give you access to over 25 plus app frameworks, templates, and over 25 specialized prompts to kickstart your project. Okay, now that is just the beginning. It's usually valued at $147 a month, but you're not going to have to pay that much because you are in my webinar today and you are entitled to a special, very special deal. Okay. Okay, so the next one that I want to introduce you to is our upgrade number 1. We call this Vanta edition, the black. Okay, this is your ultimate AI performance. It has advanced capabilities and expand resources for your most ambitious projects. Okay, this is going to give you a massive AI capacity annually. Command a colossal 100 million AI neurons, the tokens per year, giving you immense power for unlimited app creation, complex project, and high volume use. Okay, and that's not all, because you're going to build without limits. You can create and deploy unlimited number of applications. Never let a great idea wait ever again. And you can access also the elite AI models that's going to supercharge your build. Our most advanced AI models, you can bring your own AI keys like Grok, OpenAI, Gemini, and more. Okay, for unparalleled intelligence. If you don't like our engine, fine, bring your keys, bring your engines. We allow you to do that in Vanta edition. Okay, now craft highly complex apps. This is going to give you the AI more information, like 200K token context. This is very large token context. Okay, to build incredibly, it's not expensive. You see the value. That is the price everybody else will have to pay, but it's not the price you're gonna have to pay. Okay, not the price you're gonna have to pay. Cool. We're gonna get to the offer that is actually a very special one for everybody that is live with us. And wait until you see the extra amazing bonus. I'm not gonna spill the beans. I want to get there, and I'm gonna get there in the next 2 minutes. But first, I want to introduce you to everything that xBesh has to offer. You can craft, a complex application because we're offering you a 200,000 token context to build incredibly detailed and sophisticated applications to truly solve big problems. The context window, it means that this is how much tokens you can send to the agent. And on top of that, with Vanta Black Edition, you get lightning fast results, experience accelerated app building, so your ideas become reality quicker than ever. And plus, you get to use the microphone. You speak your ideas, use voice commands in multiple languages to tell xBesh what to build. You can say it in any other language. 200K token, it's the context window. It's not the tokens you're getting. You're getting like 100 million tokens per year with Vanta, okay? Somebody said in the chat room, just want to clarify that one. Okay, and this brings me to upgrade number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to one of my favorite ones, the ready-made success, okay? The done-for-you command center, okay? This is instant app library valued at $197 per month usually, but you can launch with proven templates and expert prompts for immediate results. Now, friends and people call me the AI whisperer because I've been talking with AI for over 7 years now. I think I've been talking more with the AI than I've been with my wife. So, jokes aside, I know how to craft prompts and how to engineer system prompts and everything. So we got, and not only me, but Matt have as well. He's the mastermind behind it. Okay, so you can launch and pre-build apps instantly. Get over 50 plus done for you application templates ready to customize and deploy for countless niches. Master prompts for the perfect apps. You get to access a library of over 100 expert crafted prompts and get exactly the app you want every single time. Okay, and you get to skip the guesswork. Okay, you save hours, even days, by starting with a proven app framework and prompts designed for success. Endless inspiration. Quickly find a starting point and almost any app idea you can imagine. Okay, that's what done for you upgrade is gonna serve you. Okay, now I'm not done because I know there's a lot of people that want to sell this app outside. You want to sell this app to clients. You want to build apps for clients. That's why we have the upgrade number 3, which is, again, because I run an agency as well, one of my favorites one. It's 360 agency license, which is going to give you the commercial license to sell, okay, create and sell custom app to clients without writing a single line of code, of course, right? You can monetize your creativity. Okay, you can build and sell apps to clients, create custom applications for businesses, and charge premium prices. Like local businesses, you can create like restaurant booking system. You can create any kind of application to serve other clients and sell it for as much as you want. We don't care. Okay, so you can deliver fully branded solution, customize apps with your client's branding and yours for a professional bespoke service. You can manage multiple clients' projects, easily organize and deploy applications in different clients. New high value service. You can add a lucrative app development and your existing agency offering without needing your own development team. And guess what? There's no monthly fees for this either. You get to secure this powerful client focused license for a one time, no recurring fees. Although this is valued at $197 per month, you don't have to pay monthly ever because you're in this webinar. Okay, so do not leave right now or you're going to be losing a heck of a deal. Okay, your own app agency is waiting for you inside the bundle. Okay, so you're going to get this upgrade as well. And if you think I'm done, I'm not. I have saved the best for the last. How would you like to sell the same thing you saw as your own software? Because this brings me to upgrade number 4, okay, which is the reseller suite license. Okay, your turnkey business. You can multiply your income, launch your own software business instantly with a proven product and keep 100% of the sales. You can sell the one you witnessed over here, the one we've playing with. You can sell xBesh Ultimate and keep 100% of the profit. Resell this very same high value bundle for your audience and keep all the money. Does that sound amazing? Let me know if that sounds amazing, guys, in the chat room. I will allow you to, if you're part of the bundle, you can take xBesh reseller and sell it as your own as well. You can launch your own software business, instantly have a proven in-demand AI product to sell as your own. We provide the tools, you get the access for our marketing materials and launch kits to make selling even easier. Multiple incoming stream, you can combine reselling with building apps from the agency for clients for even a greater earning potential with xBesh, right? I mean, I think this is an amazing deal. Do you think, guys, let me know. I mean, this is valued at $497 alone. Do you think this is already an amazing package that you should have in your marketing arsenal? Let me know in the chat room. I'll take a sip of water. I just want to see where we're at right now because if you think this is cool, I'm about to shock you. Okay, I'm about to shock you with the next slide. You would never guess it. Okay, and bam! Look at the screen right now, guys. Live action taker bonus. Okay, if you join the bundle during this live session, you enter a $1,000 xBesh app hackathon. Okay, we're awarding $1,000 cash to the best app built with xBesh by a new member. Let me know. Type in hackathon in the chat room if you feel like this is the best bonus for the bundle deal right now. I'm gonna cover the cost, right? I'm gonna give you $1,000. We're gonna have a contest. We're gonna have a competition. Everybody's gonna building apps. The best one is gonna win $1,000 within the next 30 days. So your chance to win $1,000 and get rewarded for taking fast actions and putting xBesh to work. Okay, I don't want xBesh to be one of the softwares that collecting digital dust on your computer like many other softwares. Okay, I don't want that to happen. That's why I'm introducing a new concept where I am challenging you. Okay, you, the one who have taken the time to show up to this webinar, you've shown you take an action, and you're an action taker. I want that to continue. I don't want you to buy the product and just abandon it. Okay, it's not even the most exciting stuff. Okay, so this is your chance not only to get an incredible suite of tools, but also to win $1,000 cash, get recognized, and show off what you can create almost immediately. Imagine getting xBesh today and winning a grand prize, that idea you've been selling on. All you have to do to qualify for this is to grab the unlimited bundle during this live session, and more details about the hackathon timeline and submission will be sent only to the new members. This is our way of saying thank you for taking fast action and encourage you to build something amazing together and to build the next web together. This is our way to saying thank you. And if you think this is cool, you don't know me. You don't know me at all, right? You don't, because I have a really even a better grand prize. So the hackathon grand prize. Now, while the $1,000 cash for the hackathon winner is exciting as it is, along with a suite of tools that you're going to getting, what I'm about to share for the grand prize winner takes this to entirely different dimension. The winner of our Build Your App Hackathon who joins the Ultimate Bundle Live today will receive something far more valuable than just $1,000 in cash. Okay? You will get the opportunity to partner directly with me and my entire 7-figure launch team. Think about this. Your app built with the power of and speed of xBesh combined with my years of experience, my marketing machines, my audience, my resources. We will work hand in hand. I will personally mentor you, and we will implement my multi-million-dollar launch strategies for your product. Let me know if that is exciting in the chat room right now, because I am so confident that we can achieve together that we are aiming for nothing less than a guaranteed 6-figure launch for your winning applications. Since when I know myself, I've never done a launch under 6-figure, so I'm confident that we can do it together as well. So let me know what you think about this one, because I want to put my money where my mouth is. Okay, I'm not just here to sell you a bundle. I'm here to sell you a business model. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to help you succeed. This is your chance not to just build the app, but build a real, scalable, and highly profitable online business with a seasoned partner guiding you every step of the way. Okay, this is your ultimate accelerator. One person who joins us live today will get this unbelievable grand prize on top of everything else that Ultimate Bundle has to offer. This is about creating a massive success story together. Look at the chat. This is, I have to take a, let me just pull my phone up. I have to take a screenshot because the chat is wild. I mean, everybody's saying, pick me, Cha. awesome. This is, let me just I'm taking my phone up. I'm taking a screenshot. Everybody is saying amazing. So Ivo says amazing. Bill says great idea. Too good to be true, says Chloe. Pick me, says Ben. Exciting, says Mick. Joe sounds incredible. Rob, it's only one grand prize. It is, but what if you win it, right? How much is this? Provide the tech support. I've been building out my mind while you're. I'm building my app in my mind while you're talking, says Bill. Congratulations, Bill. You're one of the fast action takers. Okay, guys. So this was my gift to you for showing up to this webinar. I want to give you this on top of the cash prize and on top of everything. Okay, so let's get to the other bonuses, right? Because I have some other amazing bonuses that I've stuck together. These are all yours free when you join today. So we got the bonus number one. The ultimate AI prompt vault, which is $97 in value. You get the perfect results faster. You get the bonus number two, our rapid launch checklist is going to help a lot to go from idea to live in less than 60 minutes. And then you got the you get to secure the bonus number three, agency proposal kit that lands clients easily with the agency license. So are you guys ready for the final reveal? Let me know. Okay, so guys, if you want the link to join, just go ahead and type in link into the chat room and I'll have my team drop the link. Guys, if you can hear me, my whole team behind the scenes, behind the curtains over there, make sure you are replying to, because tell you what, the first 30 people that I even forgot to put this on my slides because I've been working on the past 48 hours like non-stop on these slides. I forgot to put this, like the first 30 people that joins gets yada yada yada. Okay, so the first 30 people that joins, I'm not even going to say what you're getting, but I'm going to put together a surprise bonus that I'm going to announce tomorrow when we launch, but you're going to get access to it if you join a day early. Okay, just type in link right now if you are ready for it. I haven't even revealed the price and people are pouring in links into the chat room. Okay, so you're not going to have to pay like thousands of dollars. Okay, I'm not going to charge you the real value of this thing. Okay, I'm not gonna go ahead and ask you for thousands of dollars, not $5,000, not $2,000. I'm gonna give you the price straight up. It's not the average bundle price you're used to, but it is the best price you're ever going to get with xBesh. This is your special webinar price, not available anywhere else. You're not going to have to pay thousands of dollars, but the price is going to be a one-time investment. There's the price. It's $697. You get millions of tokens. You can build unlimited. You can build like apps, whatever. Like for this price, it's just a no-brainer. I mean, this is the price before xBesh. I've been spending monthly on other IDE development tools and crazy stuff and API keys and API costs. That is just a small price that I've been paying monthly up until this point. So this is your special deal during this webinar, live webinar session. Type in link into the chat room to get the link. Questions tab is super lag. Yeah, I know there's 500 people on the chat. I know it's super laggy. So we're going to try to answer each and every question during the Q&A session, which is going to be starting slowly after everybody secures their account. We're going to be building it together. We're going to have so much fun together. Don't leave the webinar. If you're joining, make sure you're sticking with on the webinar because this is far from over. We still have a lot to offer. And by the way, your success is guaranteed. You can try it risk-free with our 30 days ironclad 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not thrilled, you're going to get a full refund. No hoops, no hassles. I don't want your money if you are not able to make money with our tools. Okay, I'm here to invite you, to guide you, to help you, to get you through the hackathon and build your next success stories together. Okay, but if you don't want it, that's fine. We can just part ways. Like 30 days money back guarantee. It's always a thing that I offer to everyone in my session. Okay, so again, guys, there are two options. You can either pay the discounted price of $697 or choose the two easy payment methods. We also offer like 2 payment plans. If you want, you can pay, but you're going to be paying a little bit more with the 2 payment plan, but getting it all one time is going to be the best deal possible. So let me know in the chat room once you join, because I want to go ahead and personally congratulate you for making that smart move and qualify yourself to enter our app hackathon. I'm so excited about this one. I can't even tell you. But if you join, I do want you to come back on this chat room and say, I'm in, Adrian, or I am in, because I want to go ahead and congratulate you, each and every one of you who are making this smart move of joining us in this journey. This is not just a product. It's not just a bundle. Okay. This is not something that you're going to be putting on the digital shelf and forget about it. This is something that we're going to be going in together. Okay. Okay. So let me just show you what you need to be doing. I'll guide you through. So I've seen a lot of people that are still having some trouble. Where is the to pay link? It's on the same page. You just need to navigate to the page. Okay. Just navigate to the page and see how much for the just front end. The front end is not available today. You'll have to wait for that one. Wendy, I'm sorry. Today is about offering you the full package. Okay. The holy grail, everything. Okay. And a chance to get in the hackathon. Okay, so let me just congratulate the first smart action takers. Tracy says, I am in. Congratulations, Tracy. Welcome. Because I want you to say I'm in because we're trying to tag the first 30 people so I can prepare a very special bonus. I'll probably do a very special video for you and share it only with the first 30 people that joins. So make sure you are saying that you are in once you're in. So we want to tag you and we want to make sure that you're getting this special surprise bonus. I haven't even announced it. I'll announce it in the webinar tomorrow. But you are qualified if you join today. Okay, so, oh my God, that was why it's so laggy, because everybody is typing, I am in. This is crazy. I need to take my phone out and take a screenshot. We got Yan who says, I'm in. Joshua says, I'm in. Congratulations. T Green, I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm in. Congratulations. Rajiv, congratulations. I'm in. Nice offer and presentation, says Mark. Hopefully you're going to be in. Randall says, I'm in. Congratulations. Welcome to the family. Let me just go ahead and I think the chat is a bit laggy. It's been crazy. We're not ignoring Fred. We're not ignoring anybody's questions. It's just that like over 500 people live with us. It's just hard to keep up with the chat. I need to make my screen a little bit bigger so I can see more of the chats. The chats are amazing. I'm going to take a screenshot of this one. It's just unbelievable how many smart action takers they are in this very session. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, so Joshua says I'm in. Hold on, I'm in. Mark says I'm in. Congratulations, Mark. Welcome. I think you're between the you're among the first 30 to join. Brian says I'm in. Congratulations, Mark. Congratulations. I just promise 0 free xBesh lifetime access. Yeah, we are going to Fred, we're going to keep our promise, but first we want to give the chance to people who want to get access to everything and also qualify to the contest. Okay, we're going to give out at the end. We're going to keep our promise. Okay, how does the payment work? Hold on. Some people want okay, I don't see that option. Okay, let me just put it on the screen. Al says in. Congratulations. To pay link, please. It's on the same. William says I'm in. Congratulations. Mark, I'm in. Congratulations. So guys, all you have to do is just now. Let me just guys, Ken, please type into the launch team group. Type me the link. I want to go ahead and okay. Hold on. I'll open it up. Okay, guys. So the next page, you should navigate to this page. Okay. And yeah, make sure you're not opening in incognito. There's a lot of partners that, recommended this. So I really want them to, to qualify for their affiliate commissions. But rather than that, you have everything that we've just talked about over here. Webinar exclusive offer. If you want to go, you can scroll down to the last page over here and just click yes, secure my ultimate bundle. Okay, it's going to open up. Or if you'd like to split it into 2 payment plans, look at the screen. You got this, or split it into 2 payment plans, and this should work as well. So first, if you want, the best deal is to grab it for a one-time payment. So you pay once and you get the best discount. Look at that. Kevin says, Ken, Adrian is trying to get your attention on. Yeah, he sent me eventually. Beautiful. Let's see, because we are not going to close the webinar after everybody has secured their account. Okay. We're going to get back to the application. I'm going to invite Maddie, my good friend Maddie, who built the whole thing from scratch, and we're going to be playing together. We're going to be playing together and build apps. We're going to take some more ideas from the audience, and if you're in, you can give us more ideas, and we're going to be building together live on this session. Okay, I know it's been like over an
I would
hour and a
love
half,
to.
but yeah, Maddie, you good?
Yes, I would
Yeah,
love to.
but give us some more time, because there's still people
Sure.
that need to secure their account. Okay, I got my
Sure.
confirmation, says Rajiv. Yay! So you got your account? Is that it? Cool. The AI is speeding a lot. My concern is how fast can this model? So yeah, this, like I said, if you don't like our model, with the bundle, you have the opportunity to bring in your own API keys. I mean, we're going to be here for the Q&A session. Like if you have like burning questions, there's like 250 people. I'm not rushing anywhere. I've been talking for, Roger asked, can this build an app that connects to the database? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. And I'm going to show you live. Haven't you seen the demo? Look at this, guys. I've put together a page which is called demo.xbesh.com. Okay. And I don't know how many of you have seen this page, but I have built way more sophisticated applications like Koala Invoices, which is linked to my Supabase account. I'm going to show you the demo. Okay, this is Koala Invoices. I've built this landing page with xBesh, beautiful laid out with everything working. Okay, from how it works, with pricing, with everything, and you can sign up for free. You can basically go to koalainvoices.space and sign up for a free account, and it's going to make a username, an email username and password, and you're going to be able to log in. Okay, now obviously I already created my account, but I just want to show you that this connects with databases as well, and I'm logged in, and this is the app, one of the apps that I've built where you can, have like invoice reminders. And by the way, I'm offering you, if you join right now, okay, I'm offering you all of the applications that I've built for the demos. I'm offering you as a bonus, okay? On top of the bonuses that I already shared, okay, I'm going to offer you all these apps. I've built a screen recorder app like Loom, which has been sold for a freaking $1 billion, okay? Yes, Robert, that's a good question. So I see pricing on Koala Invoices. Does that mean you can connect with Stripe? Yes, you can connect with Stripe. You can connect with any API you can think of. I even connected with OpenAI. I mean, Koala Invoices, I think it's the one which is connected with OpenAI as well. If I go here, if I go to integrations, look at that. I have my OpenAI integration just to prove that this tool is capable of connecting applications with APIs, with third-party applications, with whatever you want. Okay. Okay. Let me just check on that chat room, because it is. I have a multi-million-dollar idea. So, oh my God, the chat is just running. Jeffrey says, "I'm finally in." Roger says, "I have a multi-million-dollar idea that will help all consumers with fraud." Awesome, Roger. Go ahead, build the MVP, ship it. Your 0.1 solution. Yeah, Fred, you got me. You got me. We allowed more than 200 people, because the demand was so huge that we couldn't just refuse other people. Okay, Billy, if you paid, just check your email. The credentials are going to be delivered to you. No worry. But if you paid, congratulations, you're in. There was a smart move. Who else is in? Jeffrey, congratulations to you. I think I've missed a couple of people. I'm sorry if I haven't, if I've missed, shout out your name. But I am unable to purge. So, guys, stick around. If you have questions, please stick around. My team is doing their best to answer, but so many questions are pouring in. People are saying, I'm in by the freaking minute. Margie says, I'm in. Congratulations. I think we're past 30 sales already. So I purchased at one that I haven't received, or okay, so hold on. The login credentials are going to be on their way. No worries. By the way, if you need help, you can always email us at support@xbesh.com. So we're not going anywhere. We are here to make sure you're getting, you promised us some. Somebody says, Kevin, you promised us some game development agent. Yes, and I intend to keep up on my promise. But before we jump into play more, I still want to show you the amazing things that I was able to build. Okay. David says, I'm in. Congratulations, David. Very smart move. First time didn't, oh my God, this chat is so laggy right now. First, I didn't take with Jesus, but okay. So, guys, please go ahead and try to answer people on the support. Jason, nah, it's not that. I'm offering 30 days money back guarantee. So it's not about me getting the money. It's about you getting the opportunity to build and turn your ideas into real applications, real product, real tools that you can use. I've done it myself. I mean, at some point, I'll tell you a story about the next tool that I'm going to build, right? So I've been paying like $100 per month. $100 per month for a use-proof applications that actually shows on my pages when somebody joins one of my, when somebody purchases, it shows the notifications that somebody purchased, right? So I've been paying for that notification $100 per month, each and every month for 2 years. Okay, now just add up, it's over $2,500 for in the last 2 years that I've spent. Okay, now I want to get rid of that. Okay, I want to build my own, and I will build it, and I will show you as part of the hackathon competition that we will have together. Let me just open up a door over here. I'm all sweaty. I've been talking for the past 2 hours, but look, man, I've built all of this thing, even a dental scheduling for modern dental practices. Okay, I've built all of this. Let me just show you. If you guys haven't seen this demo page, by the way, this is one of my favorite personal project. I can share the link so you can watch this on your own. I have built a full, and I'm gonna just play a quick video for you. Okay, I'm gonna turn down the sound so you can see. It's on my channel, as you can see, it's on my channel. Let me just make this full screen so you can see. Is it better now? Hope it is. Hope it's not. What's happening? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's updated a little bit. Okay, so I have built a very complex application. I'm calling it the greenhouse automation. So me and my parents are also owning some greenhouse at the countryside, and I always wanted to help my father work less by automating much of his task, right? So for that, I needed a way to put all together, and I started to work on a huge automation platform for greenhouses. And I've built all this using xBesh that handles the climate control, irrigation, energy, crop. I can share this video to you so you can see the level and complexity of applications that you can use xBesh to build. Okay, now this is going to be linked with IoTs. It's going to be linked with the database. It's going to be linked with everything. Of course, to start with, I've built the front end. I've built the user interfaces. I've built the functionality. But the next step is to link it to the sensors, to all the automations that a greenhouse needs. I'm sorry, my throat is a little bit sore. Let me just go and take a sip of water. All right. So I've been able to build this in about 60 to 70 minutes, 60 minutes. I think it took me 60 minutes to build every single page. And I haven't had to tell him, you got to build this, you got to build this. I just told xBesh, okay, now build me the section for irrigation zone. Okay. I haven't even told him to build all of the things that I need, but it figured it out itself, and it built an amazing platform that I can't wait to get back to and work. Okay. David says, I'm definitely in. Congratulations. I haven't received any welcome email. That's going to come. So guys, sold 30 of this and just made. We are going to we're giving a 10 access key away. Yeah, we're going to give it away at the end of the presentations, and then we're going to be giving it a shout out to, let's see, blow out. Okay, let me just stop this video. I am already in the mood of showing you some other things. So I've been building a lot of things with this, but bottom line is that you can build complex applications like screen recording apps, apps that requires databases, even simple apps. Anything you can think of, you can build it. Okay. So now the question is, are you ready to join the crew? Are you ready to finally take that leap of faith, take the bulls right by the horns, and jump in on this very opportunity with me and start building your dream. Start building your idea. Turn your ideas into into reality. Okay. Brian says great stuff. Let's see. Carlos says finally went through. Congratulations. Welcome. Excellent. George, no worries. Just open a support. We'll handle it. Julie, welcome. Congratulations for joining. There are still people joining every single minute. Now we are in the Q&A session. Okay. So guys, if you are still on the call, if you still have questions before you pull that trigger, before you go ahead and secure your ultimate bundle deal, okay, let me know in the chat room. If you have, like, you know, what's holding you back from jumping in today? What is holding you? Let me know in the chat room what's holding you back from taking this opportunity today. Arnold said, finally, after 3 different credit cards. Oh my God, why would that happen? I'm sorry you had to go through that, Arnold. I appreciate your willingness to become a smart action takers and join. Zeretz, I have personally not received the welcome email. It's gonna be there. Donald says money. Well, we do offer you the 2 payment plan, which is gonna lower the entry level, so you can pay in two split it payment plans. Okay, Robert says I have several questions and I'm confused. Need answer. No worries. We are here. We're gonna be joining the Q&A session soon. Maddie, do you want to join in and say anything before we move forward?
Yes, first of all, I have a couple of answers for a couple of questions. People are asking about how this is different than other,
Yes, please.
platforms. So
Look.
first of all, let me tell you,
I need like 10
the
minutes of
platform
break.
which we are talking about here is xBesh.
Can you hear me? I need 10 minutes break. I'll let you go ahead and answer some of the questions because we are in the Q&A session. And guys, I need you to ask your questions right now. We are in the Q&A session with Madhav, the creator behind xBesh. He's going to answer each and every all of your questions. Meanwhile, don't forget to secure your access during this live training so we can, after the Q&A, we're going to be giving away some, free golden key cards. Because we promised then we're going to be giving away, we're going to be making a draw. And after that, everybody that joined and has access, we're going to be building stuff together during this live session. So don't go anywhere. We're still going to be here. There's like over 250 people still on the call. So let's go ahead, jump in the Q&A session, and then we're going to be bringing back. I'll be back here.
All right. All right. So yes, the system which we're talking about here, like xBesh, is not just a kind of to generate snippets of code. You can generate the fully fledged working full stack SaaS apps. You can connect any database because connecting database is very easy with xBesh. You can just share the API keys or connection string in the chat. It understands everything. So let's say if you're just building something like.
Let me just take a sip of water. I'm here, but I'm just handling some stuff in the backend because people have been joining and we're trying to make sure that everybody gets their access. Guys, if you want golden keys, it's going to be hard because there's a lot of people on here, but go ahead. If you're still here and you want golden keys, go ahead, type in golden keys. I'm going to get all the names I can, put them into a spin the wheel, and I'm going to spin the wheel, and the ones who are going to be lucky are going to be winning 1 free golden key. Okay, or I can just throw them into the chat, and first who claims them, right? How do you want? Let me know in the chat room. How do you want to share those keys? Do you want me to just pop in 1 key? Let's do this. I think it's better because it will still be everybody's game and everybody's chance. So, can you hear me? Am I coming through? Let me know in the chat room, guys. If you're still, guys. Now I need to be paying close attention until we see this horoscope application being built. Oh, look at that. That was the chat was silent because everybody has spammed it with golden keys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we'll pay close attention. I'm going to share a link and I'm going to share a key that you can claim. And I'm going to share a key for the 1 key every 10 minutes for the next, actually, I'm going to share a key every 5 minutes for the next 50 minutes, where we're still going to be building awesome apps together. How's that sound? Does that sound like a plan? You guys excited? Okay, cool. So, by the way, if you already joined and you have like the bundle, you would not need the key. So please do not claim the key. Let other people have the key. Okay, you already got the full deal. The golden key only gives you like, limited access to the front end, so you can play around. So you still need to upgrade. Okay, it's not the bundle. It's the front end. Okay, it's like the main offer. Just to make that clear to everybody. Wheel. Okay. So yeah. Look, like Wendy is right. Like not everybody is as fast as other people on the PC. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to split it. I'm going to share like 5 keys for the next 30 minutes, and then the next 5 keys, I'm going to do a spin the wheel at the end of the webinar to see who else wins key. Is that a deal? That sounds like fair to everybody.
Here we go.
No worries.
Our app is ready.
There we go. Awesome.
So Cosmic Insight, like Taurus, Aries, Gemini. So we can click on Gemini and see the horoscope of our Gemini is going to be love, career, health.
Okay, I want to see your horoscope. Is it like can you make it be let's see what is. Oh, it's compatible. Oh, awesome. Look at that. It's telling you who's compatible.
We can make it more advanced. You just tell me like the next prompt to make it more better, and we can connect.
Let's say matching horoscope. Turn this app into a matching horoscope, right? For couples. Okay. Couples matching horoscope. Something crazy, okay?
Couple and matching.
Joshua asks, can you edit code if you are developers? Yes, you can edit the code. You can save it, and you can. If you're burning tokens to get the app working, can we? Team Taurus here says, I'm Aries, by the way. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Let's type your horoscope there as well. I'm going to drop the key right in the next minute. Hold on. I think I need to find my sheet with the key. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. Hold on, I asked my assistant to drop me the keys. I forgot to open my document over there. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to give you a link. Okay, I'm going to put the link first. I'm going to put the link where you can claim it. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to drop it into the chat room. It's the general one. Okay, so guys, I've dropped the link. It's access.xbesh.com. That's where you have to enter the key. And in the next couple of, actually, you know something? Not going to tell when I'm dropping. I want you to pay close attention to what's happening. So it's going to just drop there within the next. Now, bam, go grab it. 1 free access shared into the chat room. Only to what is happening here? Hold on a second. Nobody can see my chat. What is happening? Hold on, I'll fix it. Just everyone, sorry, I was just sending to one of my staff members. Okay, and guys.
If you just look at the screen here, we have got almost like 500 lines of code written in just 19 seconds here. You see. And now compatibility results and compatibility data and compatibility, horoscope is almost ready. We are going to be here. Just continue response and let's see.
Boom! Just drop the first key, guys. Be fast. Go ahead. access.xbesh.com. Go ahead and grab a free account. The next one is going to be dropped within around 5 minutes. So look out for that as well. Boom. And once you grab it, I want to see who grabbed it. So go ahead, come back on the chat room. Let us know that you grabbed that. I want to congratulate you. So many people on the call. Okay, I think this horoscope thing is awesome. It should come in now. It should be there.
Yes,
should be there.
Its compatibility results are being built. Only the compatibility data file is like almost 500 lines of code. Now the result file is actually being written off already around 130 lines of code. So it's being written. Yes. Now
Beautiful.
it's almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there.
Who said Jason? Jason says, I love you. Woo, I got it. Congratulations, Jason. Jason was the first one to pick the first key giveaway. The next one is coming in the next 5 minutes. But while we're still here in the webinar, I want to make this, exciting for everybody to have good time over here. And not only good time, and not only free keys, but also watch things getting built in front of you. So meanwhile, you can give us more ideas. We're probably gonna build one more app or two more apps, whatever. If we still have people, we're still gonna be on the call.
Yes.
Okay, so once we create one app, Maddie, do not try to make it, make it live. Let's just get another idea from the there is the link. I placed it in the chat. It's access.xbesh.com, but somebody already claimed it. It was Jason. Congratulations. So the key is no longer, valid. It is. Michael, if you check the chat, it should be there. Look, another great application that I've seen in the chat room suggestions. Look, this is a good one. Build a lightweight Groupon replacement. That is nice. Another one from Brian. Inspect root. Create a web app to fall protection for a fall protection company. I think I have to open that. Also, I got the bundle, so I should be the pro plan, right? Yeah, so if you got the bundle, please do not go claim the key. The key is for people that, want to get free access to the front end, and, they want to test it out. But if you got the bundle, you got the best deal possible because you have, you've taken all of the upgrades. The key doesn't unlock everything. So, yeah, that's that. Okay. Just want to be abundantly clear about that one. And guys, if you haven't yet joined the bundle, this is not necessarily you have to wait for the free key. You can just go ahead and take the bundle because I think it's by far the best deal. You're going to get to participate in the hackathon. We're going to be building apps together using xBesh. You're going to showcase your thing, and probably you're going to win like $1,000 in cash and opportunity to launch your application with me and my team. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Now tell me, like, just paid app, so it should be pro, right? Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we have an app ready now. Aries selected, and the other person is Gemini. And Aries and Gemini compatibility is overall compatible, excellent 88%, romance is
Look at
89,
that.
friendship is 90%, communication
Look at that.
86%, trust is 90%. Potential challenges are here, relationship strengths are here, and you can have some relationship advice. And now if we can just add a contact us option here, this app is ready to generate some really good revenue.
Okay, Maddie, thank you so much for, jumping in live and build all these cool applications for us. And I hope everybody has been enjoying the session so far, but we are about to close this one. So one last time, if you are here live with us, or if you're going to be watching the webinar replay later on, and you're still going to see the offer available, make sure you grab it before it ends. This offer will not be here forever. The bundle deal that we're putting together is going to come to an end. So also the hackathon registrations are open for the first people that are joining. So please go ahead. Do not miss out on this. The spots are very limited. I wish everybody is going to be able to join. If not, maybe you're going to select the 2 payment plan, whatever choice you're doing, just rest assured you are 30 days money back guarantee. So there's no risk involved for you to give this one a try.
Now we have prepared this full review bonus page that you will find in the description of this video, as well as in the comments below this video. You will find all the details related to the xBeshAI software, the demo, all the upgrades links, special one-time bundle deal link, and special exclusive bonuses on this review bonus page. So make sure to check out this review bonus page with as all the details and links are given on this page. First are the special vendors bonuses, which includes bonuses like private mastermind access, VVIP support, the prompt vault, zero to launch workshop, pre-built SaaS templates pack, AI copy plus page builder, fix my prompt concierge, It also includes special bonuses like AI Content Detector, AI Content Humanizer that transforms AI text into natural writing, AI Content Writer, create engaging content instantly, voice over AI, text-to-speech AI, transform text into natural speech, Imagine AI, AI image generation, transform ideas into stunning visuals, conversational AI, effective AI conversations, chat with our intelligent AI. Next are the special exclusive bonus packages. These are all high-quality softwares and apps that you won't find anywhere else. So you are getting access to one of the best lead generator and list builder app that helps you to build high-quality, engaging email lists. It's a complete lead generator plus email marketing suite where you can generate unlimited leads from various platforms, as well as you can create campaigns for them. Next, you are getting access to AI Universe, which is the first ever multi-model AI with 75 plus. Advanced, diverse, hidden AI models, all inside a single dashboard. Access world's most powerful AI models, ChatGPT's latest models, Claude, Gemini, Flux, Leonardo, SDXL, Stable Diffusion, and more. This saves you thousands of dollars every month. Similarly, you are getting access to AI-powered Copywriter App Suite, which itself is a bundle of various AI apps like AI Advanced Editor, AI Writer, AI Image Generator, AI Article Wizard, AI PDF, Vision AI, AI Rewriter, AI Agents, AI YouTube to Blog Post app, AI Code Generator, AI Speech to Text, AI Voiceovers, and many more. Then you are getting access to AI Viral Quiz Builder app. With this revolutionary platform, you can create hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, viral quiz videos in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Similarly, you are getting lots of agency bonuses that helps in different agency businesses. Next, you are getting AI Video Creator app, AI Graphic Creator app, AI Website Creator app, App Builder Platform, Webinar Creator app, AI Video Interactor app, Video Ranker app, various traffic apps, multi-platform autoresponders, content creator apps, and lots more apps. You're also getting a mega bundle of DFY ebooks, articles, graphic bundle, HD video bundle, royalty-free music bundle, social media graphics bundle, and a lot more. Similarly, you're getting lots of other bonuses. So thank you for watching this video. You can check out all the details related to xBeshAI from the review bonus page given in the description, as well as comments below this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates.